How to check your laptop or computer temperature. So if you want to monitor the GPU temperature and the CPU temperature to identify any problems with overheating, you can't do that by using the Windows default performance tab from here, as we can only see the GPU. So for this, we will need to download a tool, which is called HW Info. Search for HW Info and click on download, the first link. And now choose the platform. So I'm going to download for 64-bit Windows, and I'm going to click on free download. Once it finishes downloading, you want to run the installer to install it. Now once the installation is complete, you want to click on finish to launch the application. And once it runs, you want to click on start so it can detect everything from your computer. And it will open up this window right here, which you can see different details about your computer. So the one we are interested in to see the temperature, we can close this window right here and click on sensors, which will load up the sensors status. And in here you can scroll to the CPU and expand this window to see different details about the CPU. But we are interested in temperatures, so as you can see here, core temperatures for the CPU. So it indicates the temperature here for each core and the overall temperature, as well as info about other components. If we scroll down a little bit, we can see as well the motherboard temperature along with the CPU and any auxiliary devices that might be connected. And you can also see the GPU temperature along with much more details about other components. You can also see your GPU right here along with the temperature and hotspot temperature and thermal limit. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.